Hello guys, today I will show you how to install Gboard keyboard on Motorola Edge 70. Okay, if you have some problem with the Gboard keyboard on your Motorola, simply open the Play Store, use the search tool and enter the Gboard name. You will find the app of this keyboard, and here you can uninstall, install or update the Gboard keyboard. So, where you can find it? In Settings menu. Open the Settings, tap on the Search Settings and type in here Gboard. Alright, on-screen keyboard, and as you can see, the Gboard is a default keyboard on this mobile device, so you cannot uninstall it or disable. So, if this video was helpful, like, subscribe our channel, leave some comment below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos. Goodbye.